Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how you can switch apps on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, double-click on the Home button to start the function. Swipe from left to right to switch to your previous apps. To open an app, just click to open. To close an app, just swipe from the bottom. You can also switch apps if you press at the left side on the screen and hold. I show you once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.